Google has unveiled Wear OS 5 at its I/O Developer Conference today, giving us a glimpse of new features and other improvements coming with the platform. The company isn't quite ready to roll out the final version of the wearable OS, but its developer preview already features enhanced battery life. As an example, Google said Wear OS 5 will consume 20% less power than Wear OS 4 if the user runs a marathon. Wear OS 4 already brought battery life improvements to smartwatches that support it, but it could still be a lot better at managing a device's power. Google also provided developers with a new guide on how to conserve power and battery, so that they can create more efficient apps. In addition, Google has launched new features in watch face format, allowing developers to make more types of watch faces that show different kinds of information. It has enabled the creation of apps that can show current weather information at a glance with this update, including the temperature and chances of rain.
Google has announced the launch of Project Gameface on the Android operating system. It is a technology that emulates a mouse and allows users to control games and applications through face movements. This tool, designed to help people with mobility problems, is controlled through facial expressions and muscle movements made with this part of the body. It is already available in open source for developers working with Android. Its launch was confirmed during the annual Google I/O event for developers, where the company also reported on its latest advances in artificial intelligence and on the rest of the projects it continues to work on. Although, undoubtedly, the most striking novelty was this technology, which could revolutionize the way in which applications, games, and other programs from the Android Virtual Store are used. For practical purposes, this tool is used in the same way as a wireless mouse, with the particularity that it can be controlled through facial expressions or movements, which would help to adapt the technology to people with mobility problems. A useful perk has been included in the latest Android update for Google TV that should make it easier to find missing remotes. Android Authority reports that the beta release for Android 14 for TV, announced during last week's Google I/O conference, contains references to a new Find My Remote feature. There is a button on your Google TV that you can push to play a sound on your remote for 30 seconds. This only works with supported Google TV remote controls. To stop the sound, press any button on your remote. AFTV News found the same message is displayed on the Google TV 4K Pro streaming box that Walmart released earlier this month with support for the new Find My Remote feature. It also shows a toggle to enable or disable it and a button to test the sound. Microsoft is adding a new advanced paste feature to Power Toys for Windows 11 that can convert your clipboard content on the fly with the power of AI. The new feature can help people speed up their workflows by doing things like copying code in one language and pasting it in another, although its best tricks require OpenAI API credits. Advanced Paste is included in Power Toys version 0.81 and, once enabled, can be activated with a special key command, Windows key plus Shift plus V. That opens an advanced paste text window that offers paste conversion options including plain text, Markdown, and JSON. If you enable Paste with AI in the advanced paste settings, you'll also see an OpenAI prompt where you can enter the conversion you want, summarized text, translations, generated code, a rewrite from casual to professional style, Yoda syntax, or whatever you can think to ask for. Though, you'll need to add an OpenAI API key in Power Toys, and you'll need to buy credits for your OpenAI account.